Hey, this is Steve with Clear New View Window Cleaning. I just finished a job here on Elbow Lake in Cook, Minnesota. Cleaned them inside and out. They did not want the storm panes removed and cleaned, so they're as good as they're going to be for just in and out. These are like 1981 Pella windows with the interior removable panes, but they look a lot better than they did. Got off some overspray, some loose paint. The landlord's, the caretaker's going to come make sure everything's locked up. It came out really good, actually. No rain here today, thank God. Getting ready to pack up the tools. Got to head down to Two Harbors to give, well, that looks a lot better. It was scuzzy, dirty. That looks really fantastic. All things considered, somebody's turning around. But yeah, it looks really good from what it did. It looks really good. If you need window cleaning, my number is 651-508-7897. Again, that's 651-508-7897. I'm out of Duluth. I cover Two Harbors all the way up to Ely, Cook, Virginia. Actually, I have a job in a couple weeks in Virginia. So, yeah, give me a call. Free estimates. I can do pretty good estimates through pictures if you send me good pictures. Have a great day. Thanks for your business.